Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089549. Because of this error your device is missing important security updates. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will stop the Windows update. Now then copy the second command, paste it. It will rename software distribution folder. If you receive any error, just ignore it and then run the third command. This will start the Windows update service, and then it will create a software distribution folder. Once done, now restart your PC. Now after the system restart, you can try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows update in the list. Scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click, click on restart, start or restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness. At the top here you can see app readiness, make a double click, set this to again automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK and now you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, run these three commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC, and after the system restart you can update. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB508 508, and it's 9549. Click on search and then check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on Winver run command. Check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. And then check your system type. Open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option. Check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 basis, and this is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5089549 over here and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually and then restart your PC and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows update, click on advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once done you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update. You should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.